And the reason to investigate the impulsive nature is because notice every time we are impulsive, most of the time we get caught up in the conflict, and then we create further drama and end up creating a division, end up creating further conflict rather than the solution, isn't it? And from the impulsive nature, most of the time the result is not so good, and from that impulsive moment, we also end up regretting later. And if you reflect in our own lives, we know how much uh, the impulsive act has created the uh, regret and a guilt. So, not to fall back in not to create further conflict, not to build up the regret, not to build up the uh, emotional entanglement in the future, it is good to investigate. Now, definitely, you can see the impulsive nature in you. Now, today, take a look at it. Acknowledge you have it. It comes out in the heated situation. Uh, and you ask yourself, why do I participate impulsively in the moment? Why do I act impulsively? Impulsively, yeah. Why do I act impulsively? If you ask yourself this question, will help you to figure out um, the deeper reason behind acting in such a way. You are acting impulsively, and if you ask why you acting such a way, there should be the answer. So you ask, why am I moving in such a manner? And just stay with that inquiry. Let that inquiry be the background, and let it ring in you. And the answer in you will resurface, because